Hi, I'm Saida from the Library Student Team here at the University of Manchester. I'm here to give you a few top tips on how to stay focused when revising for exams. Firstly, this is number 1, make sure you're taking regular breaks. A common method people find effective is taking a 15-minute break for every 45 minutes of work. Studying for extended periods of time without rest can lead to reduced focus and even burnout. Working out a study system that works for you, with regular intervals where you can rest and recharge, is essential for maintaining your focus throughout the day. Number 2, exercise can be an effective tool to boost your concentration, but this doesn't have to mean a high-intensity workout. Simply going for a short walk in the middle of the day can help increase your focus and be a load of benefit to your mental and physical health. Number 3, it's important to pay attention to your environment and ensure you aren't going to struggle with distractions and irritations. This can be very much down to personal preference. For some, a noisy cafe might be the perfect place to get stuck into your work. For others, a quieter space might suit better. Understanding where and when you like to work is crucial for giving yourself the best chance at maintaining focus. Also, think about the people around you. If you're working at home or with friends, it can be helpful to set boundaries and expectations to help minimize distractions. Number 4, another essential part of staying focused and keeping your energy levels high is getting quality sleep. Keeping a regular routine and ensuring you're getting roughly 8 hours of sleep is incredibly important for focus and concentration. Sleep deprivation has lots of negative effects on our bodies. Without getting the rest we need, our studies can suffer. And finally, number 5, mindfulness is a technique people find effective to help keep focused. This is often about being present in the moment, noticing when your mind is wandering, and using breathing and body scan techniques to bring your focus back to the body. This is by no means a comprehensive list, but hopefully with these tips you'll be able to focus on your revision a little bit easier. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your exams!